On the web, we're going to have two types of images, vector graphics and raster images. Now, vector graphics are kind of images that are defined using algorithms. Vector images retain their sharpness even when you zoom in because it is generated using a particular code, and so it is very scalable. However, raster images are the common images we know, like PNG images, JPEGs, GIFs, BMP. Now, these raster images define the image using a grid of pixels. Now, these pixels show where each pixel is placed and what color it should be. Now, the thing with raster images is that when you zoom in, it loses its clarity or sharpness because you're stretching the pixels. These are used for different cases. There isn't one that is necessarily better than the other one. So we're going to see the different use cases.